Hello there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find the least common multiple of two numbers. So let's get right to it. Let's start off with 18 and 25. To find the least common multiple, we have to break these numbers down into their prime factors. So what are the prime factors of 18? Well, 2 times 9 is 18, okay, but 9 is the same as 3 times 3. So this means that 2 times 3 times 3, okay, is 18, and also the prime factors of 18 are 2, 3, and 3. Now, how about 25? 25 is simply 5 times 5, and 5 is a prime number. 5 times 5 is 25. So the prime factors of 25 are 5 and 5. So the next step to find the least common multiple of these two numbers is to draw a Venn diagram like this. So we're going to draw two circles that intersect, okay, like this. We'll call the left-hand side 18, and we'll call the right-hand side 25. Now what we do is pop the numbers, for instance 2, 3, and 3 into the 18 circle, okay, because these are the prime factors of 18. Now, if 18 and 25 had a common prime factor, we'd be able to put it in the middle over here. But since that isn't the case, for 25, we've only got 5 and 5 like this. So once the prime factors of 18, okay, 2, 3, and 3, and 25, 5 and 5, are both within these circles, we can find the least common multiple. We do that by multiplying everything inside these circles. So the least common multiple, LCM, okay, is going to be equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5, okay? And in index form, this is the same as 2 times 3 squared times 5 squared. So let's figure out what this is on our calculators. The calculator is out. Let's do 2 times 3 squared, okay, which is 18, times 5 squared, and that gives us 450. Okay, so the lowest common multiple of 18 and 25 is 450. If you are not satisfied with your calculator result, what you can do is visit an application like Desmos to check your result. You do that by writing LCM up here like so, and by putting in 18 and then 25 like that. And as you can see, the result for the least common multiple is 450. So this is an extra way to check your result to see if you're correct. Okay, so I hope you found that fun. Let's try this out with another two numbers. Let's try out 12 and 33. Let's find their least common multiple. Once again, we're going to have to find their prime factors. Now 12 is 2 times 6. Okay, but 6 is the same as 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 12. And the prime factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. Now, how about the prime factors of 33? Well, 33 is simply 3 times 11. 3 and 11 are prime numbers, okay? 3 times 11 is 33, so the prime factors of 33 are 3 and 11. Now, if we want their least common multiple, we have to draw a Venn diagram like this. Okay, and make sure these circles intersect like so. We can call the left-hand side 12, and we can call the right-hand side 33. Okay, now these two numbers share a common prime factor. Okay, we've got 3 over here, and we've got 3 over here for 33. However, we are not going to repeat these numbers when we place them inside this or these circles. Okay, the 3 for both of these numbers will only go in once at the center like that. Okay, now for 12, the other prime factors are 2 and 2, so we put them over here to the left, and for 33 we put the 11 over here. So once again, if two numbers share a common prime factor, you don't put them into those circles twice, okay? You only use that number once. In this case, we are talking about the 3 over here, okay? Now let's get the least common multiple of 12 and 33. We do this by multiplying everything inside these circles. So the answer should be 2 times 2 times 3 times 11. And in index form, that is 2 squared times 3 times 11. Let's get the calculator out to check this result. We've got 2 squared, which is 4, times 3, which is 12, times 11. And that gives us 132. So the least common multiple for 12 and 33 should be 132. Let's check this result on Desmos. So we've got LCM, and then we put 12 in here like this with the comma, and then 33. Okay, we get 132. So it's likely we've got the right result. If you're going to be getting questions like this in your exams, then you want to practice this technique as much as possible so that you consistently get the right result. If you have any questions regarding this video, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. For more maths content, check out mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.